Val Acuña missing on his first three. Hindi nakatingin. Itong si Lopez on the push. Sean Andrews now trying to counter.
But the hope is that makakuha ka pa ng iba pang paraan para pumunta sa kanila.
Swing pass, Acuña, corner. Finally, a make for Val Acuña. Baka may ano na rin yan, para may comfort level with each other. Cruz on the three. Can't get it. Punta sila sa corner. Acuña.
Yeah.
Kabila. Parehas. May isang pasok na para dito kay Val Acuña.
These guys definitely the top 3-point shooters for the Gensan Warriors. And when they're free, you gotta give them that ball.
Sean. Kinuha ni Adi. But that's still gonna be 2 points for Gensan Warriors. Want to change things here. Japs drives. Euro. Floater is good. Gets the bump, the basket, and the bonus. Natin dito kung magkakaroon din ng comeback. Etong passing. Sean Andrews on the drive. Sean just too quick for any defender.
He feels the backing of his coaches with that drive.
Batak answers with a triple on the other end.
It just got deflected.
They go corner. Cruz doesn't even go down.
Warlow.
Batak. Are we going to see a slam? No, but it's still going to be a 2 for Warlow.
Even on the defensive end.
Former NU Bulldog standout. Now transferring from the Quezon Huskers, going to the Gensan Warriors. Galicia on the second try. Eusebio says that slowing things down. Gabo decides otherwise. Straight line but long. 3 versus 2. Matakbo si Batak. No look pass. Galicia will be fouled from behind by Marwin Junicio.
That's going to be his third. And one thing that has changed really for passing in this game, in my opinion, has been fast breaks. They have been looking for transition very early in this game.
Aaron Estacio, 2 former St. Clair guards who I think was able to play with each other for a year before Fontanilla transferred to UST. Pacquiao on the same leg landing. Stream, Boom 3, waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power. Jagar, straight line and in, off the wing. Gabriel cannot give it to Garcia. Punta sila sa ilalim. Batak against Fontanilla. Trabaho, pero supal etong si Batak. But the foul is gonna be called. Elvis.
Coach Elvis is livid. Only because he understands na, the team is already.
Andrews and Cruz return to the ball game alongside Larry Rodriguez on the defensive end. Lambino tucks in. Aaron Estacio off the back, smiles and finishes a 5-point swing. Andrews pa rin. Marito kay Mark Cruz. 6 seconds remaining. Cruz on the drive. Goes to Larry. Ball is tapped. A second remaining. They throw it away. And Aaron Estacio doing everything in the final 30 seconds to get this 3-point lead.